Would you like to see what you're getting yourself into?
Sure.
I'm dying to see it.
It's like fucked up.
It's a crazy story, actually.
Yeah, I agree.
I want to watch.
Guilty as charged.
Let me know how it ends.